welcome back to Leumastudio. In this section, we're going to be looking into constructing a regular hexagon using distance across corner. So we're going to be constructing an hexagon which has 6 sides using the diameter 60 mm for the circle to construct the line. So the first thing we are going to do is to draw our line AB extensively without any specific measurement. Line A, B. Okay, so the next thing to do is to draw a circle using the diameter 60 millimeters. So we're going to have a radius of 30 millimeters, which is half of 60 millimeters. So using our ruler, we measure a radius of 30 millimeters, which is half of the diameter. Then we draw a circle using a thin line. So after drawing the circle, the next thing to do is we draw center line and diagonal line using 30 and 60 degree set scale. So we have a 30 and 60 degree set scale to be used for the construction of our hexagon. But the first thing we have to do is to draw center line and diagonal. So the first thing is to draw our center line using our set scale to ensure that we draw a perpendicular line on our circle. So we have our center line. Then we move to the next thing, which is to draw a diagonal line using our 30 and 60 degree set scale. So we have the angle at this point to be 30 degrees and the angle at the other side to be 60 degrees. So we are making use of the 30 degree angle on the set scale. We draw a diagonal line using a thin line touching two sides on the circumference of the circle. And then to draw the other diagonal line, what we do is to kindly turn the set scale to the other side. So after that, the next thing is to join those points at which the line touches each part of the circumference of the circle together. So we label this as point A, small letter, point B, point C, point D, point E, and point F. So joining those points together, we have our hexagon. So we're going to be making use of a thick line to draw out our hexagon. So after joining all the points together, we have our hexagon with the 6 sides: one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the next thing to do is to showcase our hexagon to indicate that this particular diagram is across flat. So at the top and lower edge of the hexagon, we use a thin line to extend both edges towards the left side of the paper. So with this, making use of our set scale, we outline our diagram, which is the hexagon, as distance across flat, indicating the distance here to be across corner, which is 60 millimeters.